Discover the secrets of SpaceX's Starship, the intricacies behind its flight termination system. Imagine not only reaching the stars but also pioneering the journey. That's the mission of SpaceX's Starship, a revolutionary spacecraft. But behind its remarkable engineering exists a safeguard, the Flight Termination System, or FTS. It is a mystery to many. The FTS works silently, yet effectively, ensuring the safe termination of a flight if necessary. A small marvel within the larger picture. Though it's often overshadowed by the spacecraft's other features, understanding the FTS is crucial. It's the unsung hero of any successful launch. The FTS technology is a testament to SpaceX's commitment to safety. Its complex mechanism is a fascinating labyrinth of precision-engineered safety measures. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of the FTS, unraveling the mystery that helps SpaceX venture into the unknown.